Good morning, everyone. I decided to film another day in the life video with Derp because we have a lot of things going on today. Actually a lot more than last week. This is actually like our typical Thursday, and I just kind of want to start off at 7 o'clock and my neighbor's dogs are still outside. I don't know if you guys can, there he is. Right there. This tiny doggo. This dog doesn't ever go inside. Like, that's a little makeshift house they made. So, totally just had neighbor's dog purge my fence, which caused all of my dogs to go crazy. So, hip hip, who freaking ray. I got a lot on my plate today. I have some orders to do, doctor's appointments, doctor's appointments. I have a date with my girlfriend later tonight after therapy. I have, let's see what else. Had to bathe Derp too because I guess he peed through his kennel or like peed in his kennel. Might have been Dixie, but I'm thinking it's him. Somebody peed, so they're gonna need a bath. So, fun. I don't know why he peed in his kennel. I let him out an hour before bedtime. So, fun. I gotta go get the kids ready for school. It's a little after 7. We have to get the trash down and eat breakfast. So, see you guys in a few minutes. I gotta put the camera down. Gotta charge the battery. Mom. Brush my hair and see what they want. Okay, so quick update. I don't think Jofiel actually peed in his kennel. I lifted up the mat that is inside his kennel and it's dry underneath. The mat is dry. So, I don't know. He'll probably still end up getting a bath today, maybe if I have time. It takes about an hour and a half to 2 hours to bathe him, and that's bathing and blow drying. And I have doctors, or I have group at 10, so we'll see. His belly's wet, but it could also be because he was outside, which means I actually do have to give him a bath because he's rolling in the mud again. I don't know. I'll figure it out, but I'm going to put my camera on charge. I've got one battery life left. I decided to actually use my little vlogging camera instead of my phone so that it's easier. Somewhere in here there is a cord. So that it's easier to charge, or not charge, easier to like transpose the footage, because when it's on my phone it's a pain in the butt. I have to go into the cloud and then go from the cloud to save to my camera or save to my computer, and sometimes it just doesn't want to do that. Like the last day in the live video, I didn't want to transfer anything at all. I had to do it from my phone, which is why it looks kind of crappy. So I'm going to charge my camera. I just plugged it in, and then I've got a lot of stuff I need to do. So let's get this baby charged up a little bit before I bathe the Derp. So I decided to dress up and look pretty, and now you can't see me because it's black. There we go. So my earbuds made lots of noises, so I have to get ready for group. Have to let the Derp monster go potty, let all the other dogs go potty. Get him dressed. Where's your ball? I gotta tie him out because I should have done that a little bit ago. But yeah, see, like, I got pretty. This is my pretty face. Oh god, no. Oh, he got dirt all over me. Derpy! Guys, this is why I don't wear white. Oh my god, dog! Look at this, guys. Good dirt. Legitimately, this is why I don't wear white. Like, in the front of my dog for 2 minutes, and I'm dirty.
Still echoes in my head. We would make the cutest couple. I didn't know you were playing, and
group is over. I feel kind of weird about Joe Field today at group. He wouldn't sit still. Like he just kept getting up. Like he wasn't. So the thing is that he was alerting, which it's what he's supposed to do. But I kind of get really weirded out at group when it happens, because I always feel like they're like, oh, your dog is getting up when it's supposed to be staying down, like, because you told it to stay down. But then it gets up and it starts nudging you and like placing its head in your lap and like pushing it there and, you know, like constantly nudging you and just constantly getting up and like doing the things I taught him to do. But like for those like outside people that don't actually know, like my anxiety got really bad, which made him keep tasking, and because, you know, like he's doing what he's supposed to do, then my anxiety got really, really bad because he was doing what he was supposed to do, because there were all these people, and by all these people there was like only 4 other people, like, and 2 were the teachers, and it just made everything like really, really bad. Because the anxiety got really bad that like people were sitting there and like judging me on my dog who was doing what he was trained to do, because it started out as just heart issues, and then I started getting twitchy, and then like I couldn't sit still and I had issues breathing. So I mean, he was doing LPT because I don't like DPT when I can't breathe. It hurts a lot worse, and like I mean, I'm really worked up over this. Like I didn't think I would ever be one of those people who are like talking about what their service dog does and then just start crying on camera. I'm not a very big emotional person until it comes to my dog and my kids. So yeah, like I know he was doing what he was supposed to be doing, but then that anxiety sits in them like, oh my god, like all these people are sitting here and they're staring at my dog who's just not laying down. But like he wasn't whiny, he wasn't barky, he was just like, nudge, nudge, mom, nudge, nudge, stop, because like I started ripping my skin open on my leg. Okay, I need to get home before my kids get home from school, and then I need to take the oldest to the doctor's in like an hour, and I'm hungry and I have a migraine. I just really, really want to go get fast food. I shouldn't, because I had it yesterday, and my girlfriend and I are going out probably for fast food, like restaurant fast food. I don't know what we're doing. Go figure, this would be like the day I'm having a breakdown. Yay. And like it's kind of one of those, I want to not go to my kid's doctor's appointment because I'm having a breakdown, and like I can feel it building in my chest, but he really needs to go to this doctor's. And I'm gonna go home. I'm gonna get some fast food and then go home. Or maybe as soon as my kids get home, instead of waiting a half hour to leave, as soon as I get home, we'll go get fast food. Maybe we'll do that. That way my kids don't whine and complain that I got fast food and they didn't. Alright, I'm gonna start driving. So real quick before I start driving again, so yeah, this song totally just came on my playlist and I hit shuffle because thanks, music.
You played it cool, play me for a fool, so cruel. It sure was time for a wake up. And now that I'm over it, someone's gotta pay for it. You should know I still remember every word you said. Oh, you walked the wire, you paid the price. Oh, you wept some tears by the look in your eyes. I knew you were trouble right out of the gate, and now you're standing here for 2 minutes too
this is what I'm stuck in, guys. I've actually been driving for about 20-ish minutes. I should have been home by now. I'm not even remotely close to my exit. Not entirely sure what's wrong. Waze hasn't said anything. I checked Waze and all it says is heavy traffic. I know on our way to the doctor's there was an accident, but that was over an hour ago. 2 hours ago. So I'm not sure what's going on, but everybody's getting off there. I'm keep going this way because I don't feel like trying to figure out where the hell I'm going. Alright, so it is 4:30. I left, oh my god, I'm stuck. I left my kid's doctor's appointment at like a little before 3. I think it was like 2:40, 2:45. There's Derpy's ears. Do you see his ears? It took me 2 hours to get home and it was gross. But there's my girlfriend. There's my girlfriend. We're going somewhere. I need to pull my hair down, but it was hot in my car. Back there somewhere. Derpy! Say hi to Mom. Hi! What doing? Derpy! Where'd you go? Where'd you go? I can't. Ah! Derpy! What do? Derpy! What you doings? What are you doings? Oh my god, you're too cute. So we're going somewhere. I do not know where. Girlfriend has not told me. No. Drop the kids off with the wife and we're gonna go on a date. So, cause she needs it. The life of a polyamorous person. You drop your minions off with one partner and then go out with the other. There's a car. Guys, it's been awful today. It's been really bad. I didn't go to therapy. Like, my next stop on my thingy was supposed to be therapy about 45 minutes ago. But, traffic. So, I'm trying to reschedule therapy. Probably end up going tomorrow. I don't wanna. But, there's Derp. There. His little ears above the thing. Okay, so, turn this off so I can catch up with the girlfriend and let her know what's going on, because
still echoes in my head. We would make the cutest couple. I didn't know you were playing, and I'm just saying, you gotta weigh in. This is not something to die for. You turn your back on me, so I turn my back on you, and now we're stuck in this charade. I don't know what to do. Oh, you walk the wire, you pay the price. Oh, you wiped some tears by the look in your eyes. I knew you were trouble right out of the gate, and now you're standing here, but 2 minutes too late. You played it cool, play me for a fool, so cruel. It sure was time for a wake up. And now that I'm over it, someone's gotta pay for it. You should know I still remember every word you said. Oh, you walk the wire, you pay the price. Oh, you wept some tears by the look in your eyes. I knew you were trouble right out of the gate, and now you're standing here, but 2 minutes too late. And now you're standing here.
Beagle, shan't be afraid of the ocean. You're not my dog. You are not my dog if you're afraid of the ocean. The ocean is our friend, Jofi. Didn't you learn that from Moana? Good boy. Has he been whining?
He's just been very alert. Like, very like,
Yeah.
is everybody okay?
Well, I mean, you also got that. I was over there. And then you've got those.
No. Do you see the baby seal? In
No?
the birds?
Where?
Sea lion in the middle of the birds.
Oh my god.
White thing. Like,
Right there, guys. Do you see it? Do you see him? He's right. Where's my finger? Right there. Oh. What kind of birds are they? Do you know? I want to say cormorant, but that's not right. Like, I know that's not right, but that sounds like a really cool bird. Hi, Hintom. Good boy. Derpy, Upton. Hi, Hintom.
so on alert. He's like, what? What do I?
He is afraid of the moving wet. He does not like the moving wet. But there are some sea lions over there. And over there. And over there. And then all this, like, I don't know if you guys can see it, where'd it go? All this, like, crap right here is red tide? Is that what it's called?
Yeah.
But look at this pretty view, and my dress is, like, coming up from the wind. Ah! Oh! Can you guys see that? Look at, where did him go? Can't find him on my viewfinder. Did I pass it on my viewfinders? No, he just blends in so good right there. Right there. He made a pillar with an algae rock. Good boy, Derp Derp. So me having him here is actually really hard because I kind of want to let him be a dog and like sniff and do things. But there's a giant sign that said from like
9 to 6.
Yeah. Wait, 9 a.m. or 9 p.m.?
9 a.m. to 6 p.m.
No dog.
Yeah, but at 6 p.m. he can be a dog.
Well, it's 10 till 6. You got 10 minutes. Tinfoil.
It's filled with fruits and jams.
Ooh, no, not yours. And then there's our dinner. Ooh, that smells numerous.
No.
Derpy.
This one has nothing.
Loss.
This one has nothing on it. Do you have a plain chicken?
Yeah, Derpy chicken.
Want chicken?
Naman. Good boy. I didn't bring you your dinners. You will eat dinners at home. But the no more dinners. Wait, why did you need to go to McDonald's?
I needed to get a cup full of whipped cream.
That is not a cup full of whipped cream.
It was a cup full of whipped cream. It was only 30 cents.
That's what you got is 30 cents worth of whipped cream. Is like this much. Derpy will eat the puppuccino. What do you see over there, Derp Derp? So we got like 5 minutes before I can take Derp off duty and let him be dog and sniff and do things. I still don't know if any other dogs come up, if I'm going to let him say hi to other dogs. I'm very leery with other dogs because he plays really rough. Like even in introductions, he's awful at introductions.
Chicken.
But I don't trust other dogs, especially with what happened to Bella. But he's eyeing the birds. There those birds. They're over there. That he wants to get. But he cannot get because even off duty, he has to stay on leash. We should totally go somewhere where I can take Derp to run. But not meow, because
Later.
laters. Well, not laters today, because,
What later's in life?
yeah. Are you working Sunday? Maybe we can go Sunday.
We should go Sunday.
Derpy, go beach Sunday.
You wanna go beach Sunday?
Go take you to the
run it?
moving wet. We have a visitor. Oh, he ran away with the bread.
He's like, it's big enough, I'm fine.
He ran away with the bread.
You want more? It has more.
But I has big pieces.
But it has a big piece too.
This is someone who's afraid of birds.
I am afraid of birds.
And she's trying to feed a little bird.
We're hungry.
So we have a story time about this jerk. Right, yes, you, this jerk. Right here. In a minute, after we feed the bird.
Oh my god, is this bird gonna eat out of my hand? This bird's gonna eat out of my hand. Oh my god. Ah! The bird ate out of my hand!
I'm totally showing Steph that you fed a bird. And then we have to show the girls that you faced your fears so that Rosie stops screaming every time she walks into the house.
She's getting a lot better.
She is getting better.
I
Okay.
fed a bird!
He's like, I'm going to eat the bird.
I'd be okay with that. It's really freaking me out, dude.
No.
Bird.
Okay, so this guy is a jerk. I don't even know where it went. Okay, so pretty collar. You guys see that there's nothing on it because we are sitting here and eating and relaxing. So I took his harness off and, you know, let him be doggo. But now he's being a jerk because he broke it.
Welded together.
This was welded together. Look, see, there's one weld, there's two welds, and look, that's thick. Like, it's a thick ass carabiner. Those birds over there are taunting this working line shepherd doggo and he lunged to try to catch a bird. He missed and took me down with him.
Oh my god, it's coming back.
But this is totally proving that, like, service dogs aren't robots and they are actual dogs. We made Fred. That is Fred. His name is Fred.